What is going on, Savages? So I've been kind of busy with the live streams today, but a while back I had mentioned that sometimes whenever you're interested in smaller projects, small cap projects, that there's these periods of time where they're really silent, it seems like, and sometimes it can be a little bit unnerving. You don't know what's going on. You're watching the social medias, the discords and all that stuff, and you're like seeing a little bit of less traffic, less discussion, and things just start to kind of go down a little bit. Sometimes it can be, like I said, unnerving. But I also said that a lot of times with smaller projects, then that usually means that they're working, right? They're building stuff. Some of the devs don't do this full time, so there's ups and downs with everything. So that is what has apparently happened, at least with Swap, XWP. Because they just released the Android wallet, which is nice, and that's what we're going to look at tonight. So let's get into it. All right. So yeah, Swap is a privacy coin. I've done several videos on them, quite a few actually. I think I have a playlist over here, maybe. Yep, Swap playlist here. So it's a good privacy project. They have the no BS moniker, basically, or tagline, whatever. Stable network. They work on network stability, efficiency, no fees, no pre-mine, all that stuff. And that's kind of like their go-to thing, and no BS. And one of the things that they were working on, I don't know where to go to see their actual, it's on here somewhere. I just saw it pass. So their actual roadmap here. Let's see here, right here, future goal, mobile wallet support. So it looks like they've got a few new exchanges. That's cool. This is online already, the Light Web wallet. So they're just knocking things out, and it doesn't even have a date on here. I guess it's just future. Now this is only Android, and they obviously need to work on an iPhone as well, iOS. So I'm sure that is something that they're working on as well, because it just says on your phone. So I would assume it means both. So they have the app for Android. Now, the first thing I realized, I haven't installed it. This is a little emulator here. I haven't installed it yet. You can see what I have here, but I did do a search for it. And if you just search for Swap Wallet, now I don't know how these search results are brought up, as far as, is it based on how many people search for it, what's the order here, how close it, but it is not in here. I don't see it anywhere. I scrolled up and down, and I don't see Swap Wallet. I went all the way to the bottom, and I don't see that particular wallet in there. So I don't know if maybe it's just because of the common name, Swap, or if it is based on search results, right? So then I said, okay, let me try Swap Wallet XWP just to try to narrow it down. And basically the same results there. I mean, it's got different results, but the wallet doesn't show up in there. So you kind of have to use the link to install it. So I think I actually did, how did I do this before? Because I haven't installed it on that emulator or on my phone. I wonder if, yeah, I don't even know how I'm going to get to it, to be honest. Let's see. Maybe one of these had it. No, it didn't. It did not. Neither one of them. All right, let me think about this for a second here. How can I find? Because if I click, well, let's see. If I click install here, I think it's going to. Here. I don't know which one that's going to be. Oh, that one. All right. see if that puts it on the. I have to do all this off screen here. Hang on a second. All right, so it says, let me bring that back over there. So I just logged in, you know, it asks for your password and stuff. So put that in there and it says that it will be installed soon. So I'm hoping that I picked the right device and it's going to be this one. And this is when I do it live because I wanted to see exactly what it was going to look like. No prep work or anything like that. Alright, so it actually, that was the other one. Alright, so let me get back over here. That. So I guess my first challenge was that it was really hard to find. And I did it on my phone and I did it on here and, you know, on the emulator too with the same result. So that was a little frustrating off the bat, but let's see what happens here. It wants to access photos, media, and files, but needs external storage permissions. Okay. So it already hates me. Not gonna let me back. And I don't know. This should work on an emulator, I would assume. Okay, so they're normally going to use a remote node, of course, and this looks like they've got one set up as auto. That's kind of cool. Okay, great. Looks like I'm supposed to click the plus down here. Create a new wallet. So it won't let me put a underscore in there. So I'm just going to do YouTube. See here, something. This interface actually looks familiar. I will have to research that. It looks, it's acting a lot like another one I've seen, I think. All right, so got all this stuff. I'll copy that just for the heck of it. I'm not going to use this wallet again, so don't bother trying to document any of this stuff. But if this was your wallet, you will definitely want to document these words. I would write them down Don't take a screenshot or anything like that. Literally write them down on a piece of paper. And this one, the wallet files restore password as well, just for safekeeping also. But yeah, this is your mnemonic seed, so you definitely want that. I would do both of them, but. And then this is the address. This is your public address. This is the address you would send swap XWP to or from. So I don't know if that copies. Yeah, that's just the wallet address. So it doesn't copy anything else. You probably can't. I don't know if you could on your phone. If this was actually a phone, I don't know if you could actually copy that, but I wouldn't. I would not do that. All right, so I'm going to say that I have noted the mnemonic seed. Doesn't matter because I'm going to be deleting this wallet anyway. And then there we go. Okay, so wallet is here. Looks like maybe you could create more than one. What it looks like. That's cool. All right. All right. Go into the wallet. All right. On this emulator, it actually, you can see as I'm typing it in, right? It's kind of funny that it does that. But it's acting just like a phone, so. All right, so it's syncing with the blockchain. Nice. And you would click show secrets to get to, that's funny, to get to those words that initially, like your mnemonic seed and your password restore, mobile wallet restore password, I think is what they called it. Yeah, wallet files restore password. All right, so everything looks good here. And let's go ahead and copy the address, receive. I'm going to click receive, copy the public address, and I'll send over one swap. Okay. Had a little trouble with my password there. Looks like I finally got it. Alright, so there it was. I sent one swap over there. Alright, and if you send, it'll be about the same. It's kind of like the reverse steps. I want to do that. I wonder if it's because of fees that's kind of stopping me from. Or it could be unconfirmed or something. Let's see. Yeah, unconfirmed. Okay, so we have to wait on that, but you get the gist of it on how to use it, and that is going to do it for this little quick Android wallet swap wallet tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Actually, I'll be live again in just a few minutes because we have to do the normal 9:30 time slot there for the show. So I will see you then. Stay savage, everybody.